Come on, baby. This is the calm before the storm. It's actually snowing out. It's snowing out right now, man. Wow. It's snowing out, buddy. What a big boy you are. What are you watching? What are you looking at? The size of legs. Huge, huge, huge. 120 pounds. Such a good boy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go get the ball. Come on, get the ball. Let's go get the ball. Oh, Mommy has your breakfast. Mommy has your bacon, eggs. Oh, wow. Mommy has your breakfast ready for you. You want to go get breakfast? Let's go home. Show Daddy the way home. Let's go. Go get breakfast. Yeah. You're so smart. You going to get the bacon and eggs? It's not in there, buddy. It's home. You smell a coyote, don't you? Come on, bud. Let's go to breakfast. Everything, the leaves are all going or gone or going. It was a very nice summer we had. It was good for me. I was blessed. I must say, it was a wonderful summer. Come on, Kasha. Come on, get breakfast, baby. He's still eating. Hannah, have a green one. At least eat a green one. Come on, buddy. Go get breakfast. Come on. Look to the trailers down here. It's beautiful. Hallelujah. Yeah. Now that it's fall, big difference with all the leaves down the sheets and everything now. Somebody. Beautiful place to have animals. It's an apartment building, but we have a beautiful property. Portage Road, Snowstorm. See the snow? There's the snow. It's gonna come heavy. Niagara Falls, Ontario. First snowfall. November 8th, 9th, 2025. We're going to make a snow dog, right? And it snowed, we're going to make a snow dog. Okay, let's go and get breakfast. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Kasha, go get breakfast. Come on. Oh. He wants to play with the ball. You're going to play with snowballs later. Yeah, snowballs, Mr. Willie. Good boy. He just strutting along. Look at the snow. See ya. Stay. Did you stay on stick? And a big stick. You want that? Daddy put it up here faster. Let's go get breakfast. Come on, get breakfast. We'll come back out. We'll come back out, okay? Snowfall. Anyway, let's see how this beast is going to be in the snow tonight. This is it's a rental. 4x4. It has the 5.0 Coyote, I guess, motor in it. Pretty powerful. Let's see how she goes off-road in the snow tonight. My neighbors, I know his is good in the snow. Come on, are we sleeping? Okay, I gotta find keys to get upstairs. Okay, let's see. My hands are so cold, I can barely feel them. Wow, Daddy must get his gloves out there. Hey, bud. Yeah, all real time, no editing. Not worried about that. Not trying to make any money. It's taking me puppy for a walk. Hey, bud. That saved you from getting wet, didn't it? Yeah, you would have been soaked. Okay, we're going in the apartment. Oh, wow. I'm videoing. Hello? Yeah. I'm videoing. Where's the director's at? Oh, Willie. Yeah. Oh, boy. Come on. Is it different?
That's yours and that's his.
Come on, baby. Here you go. Let's take your jacket off. Okay, Daddy's gonna take your jacket off, and that's it. All right?